Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting retro-inspired bikes of 2026, the brand new Kawasaki Z400RS. This bike perfectly blends classic styling with modern performance, giving riders that nostalgic 70s look but with all the latest technology you'd expect from Kawasaki. If you're someone who loves the timeless retro charm but doesn't want to compromise on performance or reliability, you're going to love what this machine brings to the table. Right from the first glance, the Z400RS catches your eye with its stunning design. Kawasaki has done an incredible job taking inspiration from the legendary Z1 and Z900RS, giving the Z400RS that same old-school attitude but in a more compact, beginner-friendly package. You've got a beautiful round LED headlight that screams classic, a sculpted teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and that retro-styled seat that perfectly complements the bike's silhouette. Every little detail, from the chrome touches to the analog-style dials, makes it feel like a motorcycle straight out of the golden era, but when you look closer, you realize it's packed with modern features everywhere. Now let's talk about performance, because this isn't just a pretty face. Underneath that retro bodywork lies a 399cc parallel twin engine, the same proven motor that powers the Z400 and Ninja 400. It produces around 45 horsepower and about 37 Nm of torque, which makes it not only smooth and predictable but also plenty powerful for city rides and weekend fun on twisty roads. The throttle response is crisp, the engine revs freely, and it delivers the typical Kawasaki feel, energetic, refined, and ready for action. It's a bike that feels light on its feet, easy to control, and incredibly balanced. The Z400RS rides on a steel trellis frame, which gives it both rigidity and agility. Kawasaki designed this chassis to provide excellent stability while keeping the weight down, and it works beautifully. The bike weighs around 188 kilograms, making it super approachable for new riders but still satisfying for experienced ones. The riding position is upright and comfortable, with wide handlebars and a natural reach to the controls, which means you can spend hours on it without fatigue. Whether you're cruising through the city, hitting country roads, or even using it for daily commuting, the comfort level is just spot on. Suspension duties are handled by a 41mm telescopic fork up front and a preload adjustable mono shock at the rear. The setup is tuned for a good balance between comfort and sporty handling, absorbing bumps well but still keeping the bike planted in corners. Braking performance is also strong. You get a 310mm front disc with a dual piston caliper and a 220mm rear disc, both managed by a standard dual-channel ABS system. The feedback from the brakes is progressive and confidence-inspiring, which is perfect for both new and seasoned riders. One of the best parts of the Z400RS is how Kawasaki has managed to blend analog style with digital convenience. The instrument cluster is a beautiful mix of classic twin dials for the speedometer and tachometer, combined with a digital display in the middle showing gear position, fuel level, and other useful information. It keeps that retro vibe alive while still offering everything a modern rider needs. The LED lighting all around not only looks great but also provides excellent visibility at night, enhancing both safety and style. Kawasaki has also paid attention to ergonomics and rider confidence. The seat height is about 800mm, which makes it accessible for a wide range of riders. The clutch lever has a light pull, and thanks to the assist and slipper clutch, downshifts are smooth and controlled, no wheel hop or sudden jerks even when riding aggressively. The 6-speed gearbox feels precise, and combined with that parallel twin's smooth nature, it gives a really satisfying riding experience whether you're cruising at low RPMs or pushing it near the redline. Fuel efficiency is another plus point. Kawasaki claims an average of around 28 to 30 kilometers per liter, depending on your riding style. That means it's practical enough for everyday use without breaking the bank on fuel. And with a fuel tank capacity of around 14 liters, you can easily plan longer weekend trips without worrying about constant refueling. In terms of color options, Kawasaki has gone full retro. The 2026 Z400RS will be available in iconic color schemes inspired by the original Z models, including a stunning candy emerald green and a metallic Diablo black version. Both look absolutely premium, and in person, they give the bike that unmistakable classic aura that turns heads everywhere it goes. This bike is not about chasing top speed or crazy horsepower numbers, it's about connection. The way it feels on the road, the way it sounds, and the way it brings back that pure joy of riding. It's a motorcycle that speaks to the heart. The Z400 Rupees is designed for those who love simplicity, balance, and style. It's Kawasaki's way of reminding everyone that riding isn't just about performance, it's about emotion, nostalgia, and freedom. So, the 2026 Kawasaki Z400 Rupees isn't just another entry-level naked bike, it's a statement. It bridges generations, giving new riders a taste of Kawasaki's legendary Z heritage while giving experienced riders something light, agile, and full of character. It's beautiful, it's practical, it's fun, and it's pure Kawasaki spirit in every sense. If you love retro motorcycles with a modern twist, this one deserves your attention. The Z400 Rupees is proof that classic never goes out of style, it just gets better with time.